Highlighted feature is the Pro Leap system that can lift the vacuum up to cross thresholds up to 2.4 inches high. In my testing with some 2x lumber, this works very well. Some thresholds you may have to manually add to the map using their mobile app, where you get a slightly humorous warning that makes sure the robot isn't going to yeet itself down the stairs. You might also need to be mindful that this means the robot can climb up onto things that others previously couldn't. Things like this thick bath mat that gained some tire marks and I had to mark off limits when the X50 decided to climb up on top of it. The X50 also has a retractable lidar sensor on top that Dreame calls VersaLift. This enables the X50 Ultra to go under any furniture down to 3.5 inches tall. For comparison, the X40 and X30 before it could only fit under 3.8 inches. So that gives the X50 a little more than a 1/4 inch additional clearance versus those models. In our house, that means the robot can now slide under our entertainment center to vacuum up the dust bunnies underneath it, which the X40 could never fit under. This is another meaningful change to make sure the vacuum covers as much ground as possible. Vacuuming performance has also been improved on the X50. It can now detect large particles on the ground and ramp up suction to make sure they are picked up. That's helpful for areas like our dog's food bowl where some food may have spilled over. Speaking of suction, it's now improved from 12,000 on the X40 to 20,000 pascals on the X50. That's pretty significant. The main brush is now a dual unit that uses Dreame's unique duo brush design to prevent tangling of long hair. The two brushes only connect on one side of the robot and funnel long hair to the opposite end to be sucked in the dustbin. On my X40 here, you can see how I had to periodically take out the main brush to clean the long hair off. I've done several runs with the X50 now, and there's hardly anything left on the main brushes, so I'd say the duo brush is working well. The increased suction in dual brushes do a noticeably better job at vacuuming our rugs and carpets compared to the X40. The base station of the X50 has also seen some improvements. Dreame has replaced the mop cleaning base that had rotating squeegees on the X40 with a system they call Ace Clean that uses 20 spray nozzles instead. I noticed this system is quieter than previous ones since it has less moving parts, and it seems to clean the mops just as well. Now the only thing to periodically clean in the mop tray is this small filter tray that you can take out and rinse in the sink. I've also noticed that the X50's base station seems to be better at fully emptying the robot's dustbin. I'm not sure exactly what they improved here, but it is noticeable. With the X40, it would periodically get clogged and have to manually empty the bin or unclog the dust chute.